Okay, in now um, I'm going to close the side seams of the hoodie as well as the sleeve seam, and then when we're finished with this I will top stitch the side seam again. But yeah, I think I'm progressing well with this hoodie. At least I'm capturing all the steps that I'm following so far. I'm going to try and match up the print on both sides of the hoodie, of the sleeve as well as the front and the back panel. So this is fairly fast. I just try to sort of make sure that both of the patterns or the print for both sides are sort of aligned. The only way that you can actually make sure that you can be absolutely sure that the front and the back print, everything will be perfect, is if you do a stay stitch. And I am definitely not going to do that. It is a lot of work for something that people don't really see. But you know, if you want to be absolutely perfect with this hoodie, then you can do that. But in any case, we will see how it turns out at the end. I'm going to try my best to make sure that everything is sort of perfect when I put it through the overlocker. And I'm not going to pull or stretch anything here. I'm just going to leave the overlocker to do its work, and hopefully then at the end we will have a seam that are at least 99% aligned. Normally if I do a hoodie that's not printed, this step goes extremely fast. And sometimes I just increase the speed of this overlocker so that the oil gets pumped up here and the entire machine gets oiled inside. So let us must see how this turns out. It's going a little bit slow now because I want to make sure that we sort of aligned. In any case, we will see it when we turn it over. Then we will see if our alignment, how good was our alignment. And remember now, there are parts of this hoodie that, like for the shoulder seam, there is absolutely no alignment because that shoulder is cut at an angle. But I want at least these two things to be aligned. Here where the seam underneath comes together. Okay. This video is slightly longer. Normally I will just rush this thing through like that. These two seem fine. So let's do the last part. I just rush them through, but we'll see now when we turn it around how accurate we were. The part on that side I will do in a separate video so that it's not too long, this videos. Okay, so let us see here. Let's start here at the bottom. So we've now closed the side seam and the sleeve seam. Okay, let's see. So here the pattern matched nicely. The front and the back panel where the seam comes together. Here the alignment is slightly out, but the arm at the bottom is nicely aligned as well. So that is fine. So let me do the last part and then we finished. So we're going to do the next side. In fact, what I think I'll do is I'll do the next side on my own, and then when I come back, we will do the top stitch of the side panel. Okay, so I'm just going to overlock here, and then in the next video we'll do the top stitch. But I think the whole hoodie thing is going well. I don't think there's any troubles. All our stuff aligns nicely, so I think we are sort of getting there. This is in any case now, in the next few videos, we're going to put all the stuff together. The hood, and prepare all the cuffs and all the stuff that goes with this, and then so we're moving fast, I think.